Hi everyone, it's Erin from EB Mixed Media. Today I was thinking I would make some more painted papers. People seem to enjoy seeing how I make some of my papers, especially large sheets. I'm going to be mailing out some Happy Mail, so I wanted to make some more envelopes. So I thought I would go ahead and film what I'm making. I'm going to start out like I have in the past when I want to cover a large area, is just throwing down some white gesso, which I'm nearly out of. Unfortunately, I think I'm going to have to go to the art store today. Poor me. And this is Tuscan Teal, which is a craft barrel or apple barrel craft paint. I like using these because they are so inexpensive. And they do come in really fun colors. And I'm just moving this across the page with a credit card, gift card, something like that. This is for the skate rink, I think for the arcade. Oops, I'm definitely going to need more. Underestimated that. I like using gesso because I find it cheaper than, oops, wrong one. I find it cheaper than white paint, and it's thinner, so it spreads a little better. Sometimes if you spritz with water too, that can help you thin this out so it spreads a little more. Just for fun, I'm going to add some of this Key West as well. And we'll see what happens there. That should be plenty, hopefully. We'll see. Okay, so what's nice about this technique, you cover a huge area and you also are left with and you're also left with some nice, I don't know, patterns or marks on your page that just add to your background and give it some interest. I'm going to make sure I go all the way to the edges, since I am going to use it for an envelope. I don't want any of my edges looking forgotten. And see how fast that was? Now I've got a nice background to work on. I'm going to go ahead and dry this real quick. It shouldn't take long because it's so thin. Okay, that's pretty much dry. And next I've got a stamp here that I made simply with some cardboard and some craft foam, sticky back craft foam. And I just cut out some shapes to make it look like a leaf. So it's a stamp. And I'm going to try using it on this. I've got a little acrylic stamping block, and I'm going to put some of this olive green light on here. I don't know as I've ever done this, so we shall see. I've got my brayer and I'm rolling this out. I'm just basically creating a stamp pad for myself. And I guess I've got some left over, so we'll go ahead and do that too. And I'm just gonna start stamping. Ooh, oh, that worked pretty well. Better than I thought. Can I get 2 off of it? Yeah. So I don't know, maybe, I don't know if it's better to do, That's working. Sometimes I'm shocked when things work out how I envision them. Now I'm being random with this, but I think it could be cool to do even a pattern. Oops. And that doesn't matter. It's, you know, part of the background. We're going to put some other things on top of this. What's great about making your own stamps is you can get, you know, things that you, designs that you like. And this is so cheap, you know, craft foam and some cardboard. How simple is that? Wow, that's cool, and that was quick. So I've got some white gesso here and a makeup sponge. Oh, not a clean one, but that's okay. I'm just gonna use the back side. And one of my favorite stencils. This is from Dina Marissa. You can find her on Instagram and Etsy. She sells these in her Etsy shop. She does whole packets of floral stencils. They're super cute. And I'm gonna add some florals to our leaves. Oh, there's some yellow paint on there, but that's all right.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed.
Cute, very cute. Now, I have some apricot here. This is another one of those apple barrel craft paints. And this is my very much used stencil brush. And I'm gonna use that because I wanna just do these centers in this apricot color. So I'm afraid if I use a sponge, I'll get it elsewhere. But this brush was a lot longer. I've literally like worn it down. I got this from Let's Make Art. When I first started, when I first started art journaling, I would buy their kits, and this was included in one of their kits. They do sell it on their website. That's cute. Now, the next thing I feel like I want is some big circles, because I love to do big circles. I've got my ginormous bottle here, and so I'm going to put down some of this candy pink, and I'm just going to do a few of these because I just want that little pop of color. Oops, I got some yellow there, but that's okay. That's cute. And then I still have some white gesso. So let's add some splatters to finish this off. There we go. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And it just took very little time. Super sweet. Really looks like summer. I'm not quite ready to give summer up. I don't know about you. Let's make another one. This is the Key West again from Apple Barrel. And some white gesso. Got this gizmo from the hardware store. It's probably for doing grouting and tiling. Let's give it a spin. It's going to take a lot more paint to spread that around, isn't it? All right. Let's try something different. And there we go. I think the trick is to spread the paint first, then go back and then go back with the tool and try to get some texture in.
I really don't care if you are here or if you don't.
Let's see. I'm getting a little bit. I definitely would need a lot more paint to have a bigger impact, but I think it's going to be just fine. I'm going to leave a little more white showing on this simply because I'm running out of paint. Yeah, you can see some of that texture in there. If I had a lot more paint, I could really get a texture. Here's one I made earlier with a different tool from the hardware store. This one has the square teeth of differing sizes, and that has a major texture that you can feel. But I think this will be fine. Let's give it a dry. Just like on the last one, I'm going to use my acrylic stamping plate to put some paint down. Not any more than that. And I've got this large stamp that I carved. So let's try that one and see how we like it. That looks pretty good. There's some schmutz there, but I don't mind that. Let's try it this way. Oh. That's working better, a little more cleaner than using the brayer. And I can actually get a second print without re-inking. I think this is going to be quite cute.
Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. 'Cause all we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why.
That's really fun. I've got this fun stamp from Dina Marissa. She has, as I said earlier, an Instagram page and Etsy. These were a prototype. I'm not sure if she's selling them yet in her shop, but they're really cute.
Do you remember that night we met?
I absolutely love that. So keeping with our theme of the last one, I thought I might put some more florals in here. Again, using a stencil from Dina Marissa. Let's get some white gesso and let's do some stenciling. Again, I just have an inexpensive makeup sponge that you can get at dollar stores or pharmacies.
Looks so fun. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that
I'd like to get some of that pink in there. I'm wondering if I can just use my Posca pen and do something like this. Oh, I like that. That's simple and sweet.
day when we did not exchange our hellos.
I'd also like to get some of this apricot on. So I think what I'll do is take my Nerf dart, which has a rounded top, and I'll just put a little circle in the center. I should have done this before I did the pink. I can go back and fix that. I only just thought of it. That's often the way, isn't it? Live and learn. Is that it? Maybe over there. Maybe a little here. Yeah. I love that pop of the apricot. We could even, if we wanted to go even further, we could outline these.
Looking out for you.
And for a final touch, we'll do our sprinkles. Or splatters, I guess. That turned out super cute. And you'll notice I wasn't even particularly careful with my gold outlines, and it still looks cute. I'm really happy with how these turned out. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll be back again soon, and in the meantime, you can find me on Instagram at eb_mixedmedia. Thanks, everyone. Bye.